Here we are at Castlerock station level crossing in County London, Derry with Newton Abbey's 28. Ooh. Bang. Time now is 14:07 on Tuesday the 29th of June 2021, and this will be for 14:08 Northern Ireland Railway service from Derry and Derry to Great Victoria Street. You might not be able to see because the stairs are in the way. To be honest, I don't really see the point of those stairs being there because this station's only one platform. May not look like it, but it is. As you can see, this platform is not accessible. It's been fenced off. I can't see it. If you can see it, yeah, I think I see it now. I think it's a 4,000 class. I honestly don't know. Also, I forgot to point out that that crossing is a 5th light. I can't really zoom in at the minute. Yep, it's a 3,000 class. It's... Wait, what? It's just going to Portadown via Great Victoria Street? Well, this is the first time, I think. There it is. Well, I mean, it's coming our way. Three, one. 311 to Portadown via Great Victoria Street, and up they go. Jason? Yep. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.